A cool solution for getting the most out of thulium fiber lasers. Integrated photonic memory chips ready for mass production. And nuclear deterrents that can survive anti-missile systems. All your industry headlines are on Photonic Spectra Now. Photonic Spectra Now is brought to you by Edmund Optics. The future depends on optics. Visit edmundoptics.com to learn more. This is Photonic Spectra Now, covering all the latest news and headlines across the industry. I'm Joe Kaczynski, Senior Editor with Photonic Spectra. We begin with some R&D news as researchers at Fraunhofer Institute for Applied Optics and Precision Engineering have found a way to beat the heat in thulium fiber lasers. Used in applications across medicine, materials processing, and defense, these lasers have been somewhat limited by nonlinear effects and heat buildup. In-band pumping, switching from diode pumping to laser pumping, has been one solution to that issue, but it's also created some new challenges, especially for the cladding light stripper that removes unwanted light in the fiber's outer cladding. But a new single material stripper with adaptive behavior can better adjust to distribute heat without increasing the max temperature. This breakthrough not only has the potential to boost performance in thulium fiber lasers, but it could be used for other lasers as well. Researchers have developed and tested an integrated photonic memory chip that could soon bring optical computing connectivity to data centers and high-performance computing systems. The University of Wisconsin-Madison and the University of Southern California Information Sciences Institute worked together on this project. They found a way to create a photonic memory chip using what they call a cross-coupled differential regenerative photonic latch circuit. They say this chip is the first ever that provides a viable path to scalable photonic memory on a commercial foundry process. On top of that, they say it can be volume manufactured right away. The Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory is conducting nuclear weapon stress tests at the National Ignition Facility. Researchers tested the ability of U.S. nuclear weapons to survive encounters with missile defense systems and reach their targets. During trials, weapons-grade plutonium was exposed to intense pulse thermonuclear neutron radiation in a safe laboratory setting, simulating conditions of anti-missile defense systems. Scientists say they have produced unmatched data to help further advance the progress of these deterrents. Israeli AI defense company Axon Vision has announced an agreement with Leonardo DRS to develop military technology for the U.S. market that will build on systems to counter unmanned aircrafts. Leonardo's deep operational experience, sensors, and system integration capabilities will be advanced through Axon Vision's AI-based perception and autonomy technologies. The companies say they plan to develop combat systems that deliver low-latency, high-bandwidth sensor data management, enhance crew awareness, and enable automated threat engagement. Merck is celebrating the inauguration of its new, nearly $600 million semiconductor materials plant in Taiwan. Covering more than 1.6 million square feet, the company says the space is its largest semiconductor materials campus to date. The site will focus on thin films, formulation materials, specialty gases for high-precision layering, etching, and patterning processes in advanced semiconductor production. Merck says this facility will begin production in 2026 and create 150 jobs in the area. And the Dutch Research Council and Photon Delta are awarding more than $18 million to 18 research projects focused on photonic chips. The program aims to stimulate research progress in materials, components, and systems within integrated photonics, areas that are complementary to existing Photon Delta projects. To learn more about Photon Delta's role in Europe's push for PICs, check out the latest Spotlight conversation from All Things Photonics. Have a story tip? You can email that directly to me at video@photonics.com. And for more details on these stories, head to photonics.com. Before you go, give us a like and be sure to subscribe to the Photonics Media channel on YouTube for the latest from PSN and the All Things Photonics podcast. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.